Hi, in this video we will see how to set your WhatsApp profile when you just first get onboarded on WhatsApp API. This is a very critical step and we suggest you do it before you expose this what specific WhatsApp number to your customers. So on your top right corner you click this, you will see WhatsApp settings, you click it. Now in this page will show all the related fields which will be shown to your customers when they click your profile to see what this number is about. So I will take you through one by one. The first step is your description. So this comes right below your photo. So here we suggest you define what you are. Here this is the number for Hello 24. So we are going to write we are a chat commerce platform that helps D2C brands to grow their business on WhatsApp. This is the description. Then you can add website link. Please be noted that HTTPS or HTTP is mandatory for you to save the website link. Also www dot is also mandatory, else your website address will not get uploaded. So here I give the website link, then address you can keep it brief or detailed. I'll keep it as Bangalore, India, which is where we are based out of. You can input the mail which customers can use if they at all they want to mail you. You can select all these are all preloaded industries defined by WhatsApp. You can select the industry which is most relevant to you and then finally click save. So this section is saved. Now we will go to WhatsApp profile photo. You can upload this profile photo by selecting the number. We suggest you keep a square template ready. So we click it. It will take a moment to upload. Then in the about section, this is usually the section where you will say, hey, I'm using WhatsApp. In that here we will say this is the official WhatsApp channel for hello24.ai. You can save it. Yeah, now you are done. There is one more section called compliance info. More on this later. This is not a mandatory field, but if you want to sell your product or use catalog option, this is a mandatory step which we will cover in a different video. Thank you.